Starting with damp hair, use Grit Natural Style, a loose styling cream with a low hold and low shine. This will add texture and definition. And for a sleek and hard hold, use Grit Firm Style when prepping the hair. Use medium heat and medium airspeed while pushing the hair forward. When the hair is about 90% dry, use fingers as a comb and begin to shape the hair into the desired look. Pull the front of the hair straight up and dry to create height. Rub together a dime size or less of Grit Flexible Style, a styling balm that has a medium flexible hold between the hands. Comb fingers through the hair from roots to ends, including the front. Then, begin to refine the style by gently shaping the top and back area down and to the side while molding the front up. The final style will have a soft, lived-in look for texture with a medium hold.